Hello and welcome back friends. Today I'm going to tell you how to make phone stands very easily in lockdown with materials which are very as easily available at home. So for doing this you will need a cardstock sheet of any color and the size of this sheet is 15 by 15 centimeter. You can also use origami sheet. Now let's get started. Now fold this sheet from the half like this. Now flip it and then again fold it from half like this. Now just take this part and fold it from the half. Do same from here. Now take this sheet and fold it from the half again like this and press it bit tightly, and now this line is properly visible. Now take this end to this end and fold like this. Now open it and fold it from here to there like this. Do similarly with this side. Now we can see this cross here. Now flip it and press. Now press from here like this, and now you get this. Now again flip it and you can see this. Now take one triangle from here and insert this triangle inside like this. Now you can see the cone is ready from the one side. Now do similarly with this side. Just make the cone, give it a tight fold, and now again insert it inside. And now it looks like a boat, but it's our phone stand. Now flip it again. Now press from the center like this. And now it's like a paper game like we all used to. Now press it from here and our first phone stand is ready. Now if you like this video, then do subscribe to our channel, and then I will be making the part 2 with the second way of making phone stand at home. You can place your phone like this and watch. Thank you.